We're seeing opportunities in fields that we haven't actually seen before.
My advice for Microsoft partners is they need to take this cloud analytics opportunity seriously.
We wanted to have this analytics power to be able to provide services to our customers, but we also wanted to use it within our own app portfolio.
Microsoft is the first company that, in my knowledge, to bring out this cloud-based way. And it's very simple to use, and it's very simple to integrate.
By introducing the clouds and enabling this kind of access, everyone can get into predictive analytics.
R is a great scripting language, but there's a steep learning curve. It can take months, and some people never get good at it. With Azure ML, I can be doing good stuff by Friday.
I see it getting a lot easier for our customers to get in, and it's a lot easier for me to sell the idea that they don't have to build up their entire storage processing platform and hire 7 data scientists.
Being able to have a tool to take that data and make it actionable and predict what to do with that data, with whom and when, and then be able to visualize it with the existing Power BI tools is very powerful.
I think one of the biggest mission statements of Azure ML is that it's democratizing big data. It is democratizing predictive analytics. It is allowing smaller companies who may not have believed or thought they could have access to these very powerful tools to now be able to create something that is very informative and very revolutionary.